Ingcali yezophapho ugqirha Johan Verguten uthi inkampani yezophapho entsha zakuqala phansi nezakuthatha indawo ye-SAA izakutyabula abahlawuli berhafu kweli.
From a taxpayer's perspective, a liquidation would be a better solution because the creditors will all be treated equally, which is not the case at the moment, and the liabilities will be less than has been negotiated at the moment. From the employees that will not be going forward with SAA, it's obviously a better situation that government actually pays full retrenchment benefits.
Uthi kuzoba nzima ukuba le nkampani intsha yezophapho itsala abatyali zimali njengoko isicwangciso soshishino sayo singaqinisi umnqwazi kumba wengeniso.
They have to change the business plan quite significantly because it's very optimistic. And even at the optimistic assumptions, it runs into 3 years of losses for about 6.4 billion before it hopes to turn around. And that turnaround is solely due to two factors. The one is a very, very high assumption on airfares, which is about 5,000 rand for a flight. If you compare that with the current rate of about 1,600 for Joburg Cape Town flight, it's too much. And secondly, it assumes that it will be profitable at 61% load factors. No airline can actually do that due to the cost inputs at the moment.
Ukanti ezinye imanyano zabasebenzi zivakalise ukungaxoli ngusomaqhuzu omtsha obambeleyo.